Okay, sir. I was telling Miguel Vaz to register, file the complaint. He was not filing the complaint.
4 days.
It took 4 days. He's telling me, if bones and all break, then only we do FIR and all these things. I said, where is it written in the law? So he's telling me, no, I'm kotle, magi kotle. Then I called PI on Saturday. This accident happened on Wednesday. I called on Saturday morning. I told PI, this is the thing, and it's not been done. The FIR has not been done. So immediately he told me, PI Arun Desai told me, even in 15 minutes I'll get the FIR done. He called me in 15 minutes and told the FIR is done. Come and take the copy on Monday. This happened. So what we want to know is, we don't want to compromise. What we want to know is, where is justice here? When a person is hit at driving rash, driving with alcohol, and hitting a cow died, reckless driving, and a person is injured so badly. The driver was not even ready to say sorry to my brother. The other people who were around with him, they said, we want to go say sorry. Then he said, okay, bye, arrogantly he just walked off when we told him to say sorry. What they are saying, the owner is saying, you do anything with the driver, you do whatever, but leave our car, because I'm getting pot bota, I'm getting garden pot bota. And what about, if it was my son, will I compromise? No, I will not compromise. Even though whatever it is, I will not compromise from this, because this is a matter of it. Tomorrow anybody, why we don't want to compromise is because tomorrow he's done it to us. Tomorrow somebody else will be done. It can be anybody. So this is what we want justice about this.
They'll see his other sister. Do something like this. Sugar and say.
सकाळी आमगे भयणीन म्हाका उठयलें डेल्सी सगळी गाडी बी काबार जुले सारको सिरियस आनी आमकां ब्लिडींग बी जालें म्हण मागीर वच म्हणपा लागलें बेगीन वय आयसीएन हांव धांवन गेलें आनी मागीर ताका एडमीट केलो हितूंक आयलो एम्बुलंसान घालून एडमीट केलें म्हणटरी तो म्हणपा लागलो वयतासून तो म्हणपा लागलो ड्रायव्हर की आपूण येता मातशें हेल्प बी करपा येता तुमकां कोण ना न्हू हांवें सेड ओके देन तो येयलो भितर आनी मागीर थिंग आयसीयू आमगे बाल स्टिचीस बी घाता एक सायड पेपर करता हो कितें सांगता की तेणें आपणा मारलो थिंग तेणें आपणा मागीर भावान सांगलें फोट मार नाका तूं फोट मारनाका म्हण आपूण तूं आपणा मारलो म्हण अशें म्हूण सांगलें तेणें मागीर आमकां CCTV हें जाय आसलो फुटेज पूण तेणें दिनासलें हितू दिसान दिनासलें तें आमकां
मागीर तूं सांग
ड्रायव्हर कित्याक म्हाका कोणें येन उलो मारलो 5:30 वरांचेर किनेबरांनी की ताका एक्सिडेंट जालो म्हाका सगळो एकलो पळो आसलो मुगडे सो मागीर हांव बेग गेलें चलोन गेलें वॉकिंग डिस्टन्साचेर आनी हांवें चयलो म्हगे भावाक फुटोन आख्खें रगत येतालें आनी तो आयस म्हणटालो कोण आयस दे आपल्याक सो मागीर तशें खंय पयस लोकेश आहलोली सो हांव बेग घराको गेलें आनी म्हगे भयणी उठयली आनी सांगिल्लें ताका एक्सिडेंट जाला आनी एम्बुलंसान वचपा म्हूण दिसताय कितें एम्बुलंस कॉल केलो आहलोली आनी मागीर ताका सांग मातशें आयस घेवन वचपा मागीर आयस घेवन तें गेलें तेगे तकले लावपाक कित्याक आख्खे ब्लड घोटार गेली आनी मागीर तेदो म्हळ्यार एम्बुलंसीन ताका हॉस्पिटलान वयलें ताका हॉस्पिटलान एडमीट केलो मागीर तेजे फाटल्यान हांव गेलो मागीर फॉलो कर सो मागीर हांव ताका सांगतालें तूं आतां कितें कोता कितें कोत्ता म्हूण सो मिंगेल वाज हांवें म्हळें आमी कितें कोरपा तें आमी कोतोली म्हूण तो म्हणपा मिंगेल वाज म्हणटा तूं हूंय तूं हिंग इस्पितोला उबो रावन अशेंच उलोय नाका म्हूण सांगता म्हाका म्हणजे आमी केस फायल कोतली एशें कोन्न कितें म्हणून हांव सांगता ताका तो म्हाका हें आनी आमी कितें सांगलें तो आपल्यागे दुसरें रिटर्न मारता हांव कितें सांगो तें आयकना तो आपल्यागे कितें सांगता सो मागीर
सांगलोलें न्हू ताका सांगिल्लें गाय मेल्या तें बरोय म्हळ्यार तो म्हणपा लागलो ना तुवें प्रूफ करपा जायना लोकांक सांगनाका आनी ती तुमच्यान प्रूफ करपा जायना तुमच्यांनी कुडके देखून फोन हाडले न्हू गाये गेले तुमच्यान म्हणपा जायना तो मेल म्हूण अशें म्हणपा लागलो आनी हांवें काल कोणाको विचारलें बाबा तुमी कोणें चोयलोलें कितें जालें तें म्हणपा लागलो वय जाय चेडे आहलोले वय तेजे बरें एक्सिडेंट जाले तेत ना ते ड्रायव्हर एकलो नासलो खंय ड्रायव्हर आनीकूय आहलोले खंय पूण आपूण टॅक्स चोयन बील खंय आनी तो आजून पकडेता सांगला आसतना भिकता तो
बिला शुल्क
Yeah, and I want to specially raise a question about the hospital thing. This is very bad what they have done. When we were asking and approaching the nurse, they were saying this is a police case and the reports will be, they were not ready to show us any reports. Nor proper treatment was given to him. Only they put some bandage and it's sores lailalo. And also when I went to Miguel Vaz, he was like, I trusted him. So he was like, I'm gonna NGO be involved my trust. So I trusted. When it went past 3 days, then I went and approached Pratima. And I asked her, we need help from you. So Pratima was very helpful, and she approached, she came to her and she helped us. And today we have spoken to the
See,
PI.
only one thing I want to say, we need justice. I समोर जुलियस ते म्हाका दिसता बोयलान आपल्यार गेली, बोयल म्हणून गेलो, भाव साल्वार जालो. एक भाव नासलो जाल्यार न्ही कितें जावपाचें. He doesn't have a wife, forget it, but he has stayed his life, he has given it to his mother, who is sick in bed. He is looking after his mother. These sisters are married, they are supporting, but he is the one. आयज भाव ना जावपाचो, एक आवय चलो ना जावपाचो. आनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी कोण घेवपाचो. There are many loopholes, like medical report, we have seen it's nil, nothing given. Now I have requested PI Arun to give me the CCTV footage, and he has trusted me and given me the CCTV footage because it remains as a proof. It remains as a evidence. It will not go anywhere, and I'm not going to share it also. I have told the sisters also, it is as a evidence to us, and we have seen he is at fault. He was trying to blame Julius on the contrary, but the people, the surrounding people in the flats have told Delcy that we could not see, we could not bear to hear. In the morning at 5 got us out. Huh? We got up from our sleep. So this is enough. Justice should prevail. I want within 24 hours that Mubarak driver to be arrested. She has given a written complaint today because he said he's above law. Nothing can be done. Police can't do anything to me. I will pay 15,000. I'll be out of it. This is challenging the law. And PI Arun Desai has given me a word that within tomorrow he'll be arrested. I know it is a bailable offence, but he should also know what it is to be behind the bars, and he should know the case will go on, and I will see that he should be imprisoned for 2 years because we are not here for compromise, but for justice for Jews. Thank you.